In today's video, I am going to teach you how to download email contact list from Klaviyo. Start by signing in to your Klaviyo account and going to the main dashboard. From the left-hand navigation menu, click Audience, then choose Lists and Segments. This is where Klaviyo stores your lists, which are groups of contacts you can email, organize, and export when you need a copy outside the platform. Next, create your list. Look for the option to create a new list and select it. When Klaviyo asks for a list name, enter something clear and easy to recognize later, such as a simple label that tells you this list contains email contacts. Keeping list names consistent helps a lot if you manage multiple audiences or exports over time. After you enter the name, click the button to create the list. Once the list has been created and you are viewing it, go to the top right of the page and click Manage List. This menu contains the tools you need to maintain the list, including exporting your contacts. From the Manage List options, select Export List to CSV. A CSV file is a common spreadsheet format that works well with tools like Excel, Google Sheets, and many other email or CRM platforms. After you choose Export List to CSV, you will see an export screen where you can begin the process. Click Start Export. At this point, Klaviyo will generate your downloadable file. Depending on the size of your list, this may take a few seconds or a little longer. It is normal to wait briefly while Klaviyo prepares the export in the background. When the export is ready, you will receive a notification in the top right area of Klaviyo. Open that notification and click the download link. Your CSV file will download to your computer, usually into your default downloads folder. It is a good idea to rename the file right away and save it somewhere easy to find, especially if you plan to export more than one list. And that is all there is to it.